When it comes to making a great first impression on your home, the front door is one of the most important elements to consider. Not only does it provide security, but it also serves as a key focal point of your home's exterior. Whether you're renovating or building a new property in Auburn Hills, choosing the right door style is essential to achieving the look, functionality, and curb appeal you desire. Here's a guide to help you select the perfect door style for your Auburn Hills property. Consider your home's architecture. Before choosing a door, take a moment to think about the overall architecture of your home. The style of your door should complement the design elements of your house. Auburn Hills boasts a variety of architectural styles, from traditional colonial homes to sleek modern designs, and everything in between. Traditional homes. If your home features a classic design, opt for a wooden door with intricate detailing, such as paneling or decorative glass inserts. Sturdy hardwood doors in rich colors like mahogany or walnut exude timeless elegance. Modern homes. For contemporary homes, consider minimalist door styles with clean lines, perhaps made of fiberglass or steel. Black, gray, or neutral tones are popular choices that blend seamlessly with modern aesthetics. Craftsman homes. For a craftsman-style home, choose a door with handcrafted detailing, such as a combination of wood and glass. Rich finishes and rustic designs are key characteristics of this style. The door you select should be harmonious with the exterior elements such as windows, siding, and landscaping. A cohesive design will enhance the overall appeal of your home. Prioritize security and durability. While the door's visual appeal is essential, security should never be overlooked. Your front door is your primary line of defense against intruders, so selecting a durable material is crucial. Steel doors. Steel doors offer exceptional security and are incredibly durable. They are resistant to wear and tear and can withstand harsh weather conditions. Steel doors are also excellent insulators, which can help improve your home's energy efficiency. Fiberglass doors. For a balance between security and aesthetics, fiberglass doors are a great choice. They mimic the look of wood but offer the durability and strength of steel. Additionally, fiberglass doors resist warping, denting, and cracking, making them a low-maintenance option. Wood doors. While traditional wood doors offer warmth and charm, they require more maintenance and may not be as durable in extreme weather conditions. However, if you choose a high-quality wood door and take care of it, it can last for many years. Regardless of the material you choose, be sure to select a door with a robust locking mechanism and consider adding additional security features like a peephole, deadbolt, or smart lock for extra peace of mind. Think about functionality. Your front door should not only look good but also function efficiently. Consider the practical aspects of your door's use, such as the size, layout, and how much traffic your entryway sees. Single versus double doors. If you have a smaller home or prefer a simple, elegant look, a single door may be all you need. However, for larger homes or grand entrances, double doors can create a bold statement. Double doors are also ideal for homes that need extra clearance, such as those with large furniture or wide entry hall. Swinging versus sliding doors. Traditional hinged doors are the most common, but sliding doors can save space in tight areas, especially for homes with smaller foyers. Sliding doors also work well for homes with a more contemporary feel, offering easy access to a patio or outdoor area. Glass panels. If you want to let in more natural light, opt for a door with glass panels. You can choose from full-length glass or smaller inserts, depending on how much light you want and the level of privacy you desire. Frosted glass or blinds between the glass layers can provide privacy while still allowing light to flow through. Match your door to the climate. Auburn Hills experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, so your front door should be able to stand up to the elements. Choose a door that is resistant to the local climate and will maintain its appearance and functionality over time. Cold winters. Insulated doors are ideal for colder months, as they help keep your home warm by reducing heat loss. Look for doors with weather stripping to seal out drafts and improve energy efficiency. Hot summers. If you're looking to stay cool during the summer, a door with reflective coatings or energy-efficient features can help regulate indoor temperatures. Don't forget the finishing touches. Once you've chosen the right door, it's time to add the finishing touches. The hardware, such as knobs, handles, and hinges, should complement your door's style. Choose finishes that match the overall aesthetic of your home, whether it's polished brass, matte black, or brushed nickel. Additionally, don't forget about the door frame and trim. Well-chosen trim and a fresh coat of paint can elevate the appearance of your front door and tie the design together. Conclusion. Selecting the perfect door for your Auburn Hills property involves balancing aesthetics, functionality, and durability. By considering the architectural style of your home, prioritizing security, and factoring in your local climate, you can make an informed decision that enhances your home's appearance and value. Whether you opt for a classic wooden door, a sleek fiberglass design, or a modern steel option, the right door will make a lasting impression and provide years of reliable service.